Peter, guess what?
What?
So I went to this toy store the other day, and look what I got. It's a new gun. Isn't that cool?
Whoa! Whoa, buddy. I don't know what I ever did to you. But please don't shoot me.
It's just a toy gun.
Look, it is not a toy gun. It's a rifle 2250.
It's not a rifle, it's a pistol.
Okay, pistol. Or revolver. Or I don't know what kind of gun it is, but it's real. My dad has a gun just like that at home.
Really?
No, but I just know it's a real gun.
No, it's not. Okay, listen. To prove it to you, I'm gonna shoot that watermelon on the table, okay? You ready? Ready? Wow. It actually works. Whoa. Okay. That's really scary.